the opening bell. Eubank in that white and red. Smith inches. Eubank stands quite upright at the time. Smith occupied, as I was saying. He just hasn't been able to do too much of his own work. Smith just feinting with that front foot, trying to draw the jab into the body, and then a little bit of a wrestle between a few. Maybe just a little bit ominous, big uppercut on the inside. Smith is taking these okay at the minute, but Eubank has put down the Smith. On the guard, sometimes it's getting through, but it's just not really giving Smith too much of an opportunity. First round.
Yeah, I agree. I thought,